ഒരു വൈൽഡ് ലൈഫ് സഫാരിയുടെ ഭാഗമായിട്ടാണ് ഞങ്ങൾ ജയ്പൂർ പോയത്. സഫാരികൾക്കിടയിൽ കിട്ടിയ ഗ്യാപ്പിൽ ജയ്പൂരിൽ അത്യാവശ്യം കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്ന സ്ഥലങ്ങൾ ഒന്ന് പോയി കണ്ടേക്കാമെന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചു. വെൽക്കം ടു ദ വേൾഡ് ഓഫ് ക്രിഷ് വണ്ടർലസ്റ്റ്.
बिरला टेम्पल, वो ये है बिरला टेम्पल.
This is the white one.
Oh, okay. ये कौन ये भी टेम्पल है ऊपर.
This is the Moti Dungri Fort.
मोती डूंगरी
Fort.
मोती डूंगरी फोर्ट.
Not for looking, there only one year, one time open. And the security. This is the Rambagh Museum.
रामबाग म्यूजियम.
Yes.
ये सिटी क्या था.
This is the pre-wedding shooting there in the. That is the front is very nice.
നമ്മുടെ മ്യൂസിയം.
ഷൂട്ട് ഓൾറെഡി നടക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. നോക്കി എത്ര നോക്കിയേ.
And this statue is the last king of Jaipur. The name is the Man Singh. He is a polo. He is very good polo player there in the England. Horse polo. Last king.
Who defeated him? British. അപ്പോൾ കഴിഞ്ഞില്ലേ മറ്റേ സാധനം ഈസ്റ്റ് ഇന്ത്യ കമ്പനി.
Yes. He's a polo player. He's very best. The three marriages. The one last, the guy city.
Old Pink City.
This is the Choda Rasta, family of king. Otherwise, no. This is the other gate is the local people city palace.
ഇതാണ് ഹവാമഹൽ. രാജകുടുംബത്തിലെ സ്ത്രീകൾക്ക് പുറത്തു നിൽക്കുന്ന ആൾക്കാർ അവരെ കാണാതെ തന്നെ തെരുവിൽ നടക്കുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങൾ കാണാനായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു കൊട്ടാരമാണിത്.
Right now we are at the old city. So first we are going to visit Amer Fort. Audible?
Yes.
So first we are going to visit Amer. So you can say Amer is the first Jaipur. So when there is a population arise and lack of water, king constructed this area, which is known as a wall city and pink city. But if you see, actual color is not pink. It's a red sandstone color. But how the Jaipur get the name pink city? See, this is the Sawai Mansingh town hall. So it is the old state assembly of Jaipur. New one is at the C scheme. So this area known as pink city. But if you see, actual color is not red sandstone. It's a actual color is not pink. It's red sandstone. So how the Jaipur get the name pink city? Prince of Wales, Prince Albert, visited the Jaipur for his welcome. Whole city painted in this red sandstone color. We did some journey schemes, so one of them said it just look like a pink city. That's how the Jaipur get the name pink city. But actual color is red sandstone. And right now area we are passing is known as Chandi Ki Taksal. You know Taksal?
ടെക്സ്റ്റൈൽ
Taksal.
നെയിം आता चांदी सिल्वर.
Silver.
Yeah.
Chandi Ki Taksal. Taksal means in old mint place. In old time, silver coins used to made here. Kings. Raj Mudra.
കമ്മട്ടം.
So our king consider themselves Suryavanshi. So you know Ram, love, Kush. From Kush they consider themselves.
Oh.
So in Hinduism we believe sun chariot driven by 7 horses. So here are 7 doors to enter a wall city area. And all city constructed on the rule of principle of Vastu. So as we have 9 planets, so there are 9 square area in whole city, which is it is constructed 2 square area for Jantar Mantar and City Palace, and rest 7 square area for common people to live. You are they get an indoor close and morning they open it. But in a day too, outside from Havanga,
റിഫ്ലക്ഷൻ വാട്ടറിന്റെ റിഫ്ലക്ഷൻ. അപ്പൊ റിഫ്ലക്ഷൻ പോകും.
റിഫ്ലക്ഷനൊക്കെ എപ്പോഴും ഉണ്ട്.
ജോൺസൺ മാഷ്.
ഇന്നലെ എടുക്കുന്നത്
We are here for breakfast. We are searching for a good hotel. Finally, we landed up here. We are heading towards Amber's home. Soon, we'll catch you there.
സമയം കിട്ടിയപ്പോൾ ഒന്ന് പോയി
Around hills you will find here rock and stones. So
പാക്കേജ് ആണ്
see the both sides.
അതൊന്നുമില്ല
Easy to understand. Rocks. So rocks can be of different shades: white, red, yellow, grey. White, which is known as marble, we are getting from Makrana near Kishangarh towards Ajmer, and red stone we are getting from Lalsot near Dosa towards Agra. So you will see whole fort constructed on red stone and marble, and in place of cement they use limestone. So before going to the fort, I stop at 2 points more. One is Stepwell, Panamina Kakun, and another is Jagashiromani temple. So when you go to Jagashiromani temple, you will see whole kind of shade of the stones: red, yellow, grey, white, and beautiful temple. You can say stone carvings there. You will see more than 400 to 500 years old. Yes. So just you can say southern kind of a beautiful carving temple we have in southern part of India. Same.
ये ऊपर जो दिख रहा है ना वही
That's the Jagat fort.
कौन सा
Jagat.
जैकेट फोन
That's the Jagat.
ജാക്കറ്റ് ഫോൺ അതിനാണ് മറ്റേ ബോർഡ് പോലെ ഉള്ളത്
Photo point.
Hi.
ഹലോ
As we all said earlier, we are in the Amber boat. It will be nice to see. We are just getting in. You'll be getting an update soon. Okay. Good luck.
ഫുള്ളായത് അത് സ്ഥലമുണ്ടല്ലോ
Hi. We are on.
ഇതല്ല നമ്മളെ മേലോട്ട് കയറുമ്പോഴേ ജോളി ലൈഫ് ആയിരിക്കും
One is this, another is this. So can you guess what two kind of way to go up there? No idea.
ഷൂട്ടിംഗ് നടക്കുന്നടാ സിനിമയുടെ ആണെന്ന്
Carvings you will see. So see the triangle.
അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ കോട്ടയുടെ അടുത്തുള്ളൊരു അമ്പലത്തിൽ കയറി അപ്പോൾ ബ്ലോക്ക് ആയിരുന്നു വ്യത്യസ്തമായ അതിൻ്റെ ഡിസൈൻ നോക്കിയാൽ ലെപ്പേഡിനൊക്കെ പോലെ ചെറിയ ഡിസൈനൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട്
Century. Around 4 generation of king, or you can say 135 years to construct this whole palace. So palace divided into 4 parts. So we are at the first one known as Jaleb Chowk. So So Jaleb is an Arabic word which means military parade area. So here special guard of the king do the parade here. See the chhatri at the staircase. On the left one king used to stand, on the right one is general. From there they used to watch parade. And whenever king, foreign delegates, special people, they always came on elephant. They enter from this gate known as Suraj Pole, sun gate. Whenever they enter, we enter from moon gate. Up there is a drum. They beat for welcoming. Still this palace is open. They beat for 5 to 10 minutes. Below part is the horse chapel and up is for the soldiers. And there is a staircase and a slope. So now you know why the two kind of staircase are there.
For the Gagra Choli.
For women.
Ah.
So ladies part you always see a slope
Yeah.
or a stretched staircase. So that slope goes to a temple, Sheila Devi. So our king, one of our king go for Bengal for the war. War was just so. He was not able to get when he did Kali ritual there. On that night goddess Kali came in his dream and took promise. If he win the war, he will establish her into the palace. After winning the war, he get the Sheila. Sheila means a stone, a black stone, beautiful ideal goddess Kali. Inside goddess Kali temple. So Navratra come 2 times in a year. So last week was Navratra time. That time huge festival here, bhandaras and huge queues. So people come here to take blessing of the goddess.
Okay.
So now we'll go at the second part, and first we go for our tickets. Come.
Make it tool. Expert.
There's a Ganesha at the center. There's a Ganesha statue at the center. First we enter in the palace. Come. Ticket काढते यार. See, we are at the second corridor known as Diwane-Am. That's gate known as Singpo, line gate. The specialty of that gate, it is in L shape. Like this we enter. Benefit of L shape, enemy can't enter directly into the fort. Soldier can hold for much long time. That is specialty of that gate. Area standing Diwane-Am. Place for common people. So king's courtroom at the center. This area, king sit at the center, people gather around him and used to give judgment whatever they came for. If you see the pillar, 48 pillars, 60 inside of marble and rest and stone. Up there is an elephant with trunk up and holding a lotus flower. And below is a flower petal design. Rajput and Mughal are together. So if you heard, our king has very good relationship with Mughals and British. If you talk about the Mughals, Jodha Akbar, if you heard the Jodha Bai, our king's daughter married to a Mughal emperor.
Yeah.
So what was the treaty between them? If there is any war, first king is Mughal, second one is our. Our king always go for the war. That's corner area is the kitchen area. Below part is the kitchen area and second floor is the dining area. On that corner you that corner you see 27 kachari. So 27 region come under the army, so they tax revenue collector sit there and do taxation work, Jagirdaru. And there is a geyser and bathing area too. And if you see that gate is known as Ganesh Pole. Beautiful painting color, vegetable color. So what is the vegetable color? If it is on the wall can be open, color won't go. And if it is on the cloth can be toned, color won't go. That is specialty of real vegetable color. So in our part, people do block printing. With the help of block, they print on the cloth and use vegetable colors. And if you see 3 windows, just like a Hawa Mahal, that's known as Suhag Mandir. From there they can see the activities of portal. Downside you can't see who is watching you, but up there you can see whole area. Design is honeycomb on the marble. So please come. And all done by hand and small tools, no machines. And Galaxy Omni Temple and this one, beautiful work of stone carving.
ये मार्बल है ना?
The marble can be of white, creamy, and sometimes mixed shades. Or just like our nerves, you can see the lines.
So the marbles used in Taj Mahal is from Jaisalmer.
No, it's from Makrana.
वो भी राजस्थान में?
Yes, Makrana near Kishangarh. When you go towards Ajmer.
हाँ, okay.
Please come.
हाँ, इवड़ा बैठा.
All around the city. So there are 3 biggest walls. One is Great Wall of China. Second is Kumbhalgarh. Yes, also in Rajasthan, in Rajsamand near Udaipur. And third one is our Jaipur wall. So it's around 12 kilometers around. And these are the guard walls. So how they indicate in emergency, in daytime they have red flag and right. In the night they have mashals, fires. If there is any emergency. And see the Mauthale. So this is the main source of waterfall. This is the palace. And Padmavina Pond for common people. And this is for the palace.
So that pond for common people, this is for palace.
This is for the palace. And in the walls there are water tanks. So they use water in particular area. I will tell you and show the area. So see, one square area for one person.
Oh.
So 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9, 9, 9. 27. So that's this area known as Kesar Ki Kyari, saffron garden. So kings try to grow saffron, but you know saffron only possible in Kashmir in India. So you know you need snow. But project not was successful, but you can see beautiful design. And evening you can just sound and light show at the corner.
Wow, wow.
Light show. And see this is from here. Elephant, horse, and camels used to come here. And see, there are 4 buildings, just like a step. 1, 2, 3, 4. So from all these buildings, there used to be wheels and ropes. And up here, elephant and bull go around. So just like a chain pool, they drag water up here from the Mauthale.
So यहाँ केसर का जो
केसर उगाने का कोशिश किया पर सक्सेस किया तो ठंडी चाहिए।
ठंड चाहिए।
तालाब भी बनाया गया कि थोड़ा
तो
ठंडा
उसको
पड़ता है।
गार्डन बना दिया।
अभी वो गार्डन है, इसलिए इसका नाम है केसर की क्यारी, सैफरन गार्डन। So this is a geyser. How they use? They put wood inside and fire the wood. So inside this a copper vessel connected to a water tank. So water start boiling. So they doesn't need a man with a fan like this. So there is a one door here, one door here. Air can come from here, cross ventilation, fire goes on and on.
Under pani.
And water start boiling. So inside water tanks, hot and cold waters. And if you see the workmanship, see. This is all the wood. This is on red stone they carve this honeycomb design. Red stone.
Oh, stone.
That's the stone.
क्या स्टोन?
Red stone.
Red stone.
So in our part is not about agriculture, but we are artwork. Artwork on stone, metal, wood, paper and wood. So this stone, artwork is on stone. Is the stone?
stone.
Red stone. Because Jaipur is very famous for stone carving. If you find any temple made in India, they always want the god statue from Jaipur.
अभी भी
Inside. So this is all constructed on rule of Vastu.
ഓക്കെ അത് എയർ സർക്കുലേഷൻ മറ്റേ അവർ ചെയ്തേക്കുന്നത് ക്രോസ് വെന്റിലേഷൻ ദിസ് ഇസ് ദ ബാത്ത് ടബ്
Yes, this is hot water tank and that's the cold water tank. And through this pipe, water flows and through the channel it goes to bathing tub.
ഭയങ്കര സെറ്റപ്പ് ആണ്
This pipe water flows through this channel. Cold feet for hot and cold water there. For hot and cold water, there's 2 holes there, and when water fills up to drain off, there's no load down there. So queens sit at the center, serve and them to take bath. In that time, they use milk, rose water, natural ingredients for bathing. And for fragrance, that's the ether tank. Ether Indian form of perfume derived from plants. And see, ceiling is down, but there is no suffocation. Air ventilation is good. So this area was constructed on rule of Vastu. So Vastu airflow from top to bottom. Dynamics. Come.
സെയിം ലൈക്ക് വാട്ടർ ഹെയർ ഡ്രൈ കാറ്റടിപ്പിച്ച് മൊത്തം മാർബിളാണ്
Some are closed, but you can see these are the example of toilets.
99 toilets.
Yes.
99?
Toilets.
But this is one of the example.
पढ़े
करो इसको बाहर से करो फिर इसको अंदर से करना अब इसको देखो पहले बाहर से अब इसको अंदर करना
ഓ ഗോൾഡ് ശരിയാണ്
Second, they make necklace. Last what they do, they brush it, make it powder and do. They do stone paintings. So these are the stone paintings. Blue is from blue sapphire, red is from emerald, and red is from ruby. And yellow one is yellow. But see, hand-knotted carpet change the color because one side light, one side dark because they have a particular angle. How they did in painting, people amazed. So when light come from outside, inside shining. But in evening, when light come from inside, outside shining.
135 years to make this palace.
That's for winter, up this for summer, and this is monsoon. So two rooms at the corner are the water tanks. So they fill water with the help of ladder bags. And 3 windows are there. On the window there's a line. That line is copper pipe. In the copper pipe they used to put small holes and they lay down the curtains, dry grass curtains. So when water flow from dry grass curtains and wind blow from inside outside. Inside AC, air cool.
Natural cooling.
Natural cooling. So now we'll see the Sukh Mandir come. This area constructed first, that part later. That's why you see more luxury, more marble work there. And this area known as Mansingh Palace. Up there is a room of Mansingh. And below is the Queen's And if you see 1, 2, 3. So these side rooms are bigger. And if you see these side rooms are smaller. But in our part, it's of stones. As we have around the hills. So in my house, every house we have stones, more durable compared to wood. So would like to go up there or we go at the center?
We'll go to the center first.
Center first?
ऊपर कोई special kind of view है क्या?
You can say beautiful paintings in the 3 corners area.
हाँ.
And for security, they have transgender Munichs up there for securities. Or you see center area is known as Baradali. So all queens sit here. They have the ladies' talk on the gossip. And that's the king's room connected to a secret passage. So there are secret room, corridor. Okay. So he can go to any queen's room, come down from the staircase, and another can't. They always dig a hole like this and pour liquid metal. So when metal become hard, it just grip like a stapler. Old technique of jointing the stones.
वो सीमेंट ऐसा वैसा नहीं है, ओनली केमिकल।
नहीं liquid metal. Hold the
Iron.
And they use limestone.
ये अभी जो वर्क हुआ है ये भी लाइमस्टोन से हुआ है।
ये लाइमस्टोन का ही है। अभी इसको थोड़ा रिस्टोर किया है इस एरिया में। तो सूख जाएगा तो फिर अभी कोई नहीं। लेकिन रिस्टोरेशन वही होता है जो पुरानी टेक्निक। अच्छा, अब हम पूरे 11 जने हैं यहाँ पे हैं तो फिर एग्जिट करेंगे। ब्यूटीफुल पेंटिंग, मैन राइडिंग एलिफेंट, हॉर्स, बर्ड ईटिंग फिश, पीकॉक पियन, hunting scene and peacock pigeon eating snakes. If you see the elephant eye, you can see each detail. Miniature paintings, you can see.
നമ്മൾ അവസാനമായിട്ട് പോകുന്നത് നഹാർഗർ ഫോർട്ടിലേക്കാണ്. പണ്ടത്തെ ഒരു സ്ട്രോങ് ഹോൾഡ് ആയിരുന്ന ഈ ഒരു ഫോർട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് ജയ്പൂർ സിറ്റി മൊത്തമായിട്ട് കാണാനായിട്ട് സാധിക്കും. ഇവിടെ നിന്നുള്ള നൈറ്റ് വ്യൂ ആക്ച്വലി ഭയങ്കര ഫേമസുമാണ്.
എല്ലാവരും